Oh man, this is crazy. Wait till you take a look at this waterfall back here. Oh man, had a hard time getting up this morning. Man, I was tired from fishing all day yesterday up Dale Hollow Lake. I ended up staying nearby, and I wanted to check out this waterfall. So I'm gonna hike down to it today, and we're gonna go explore some waterfalls. About right there and just see if I can make it to the cast in. Well, the water looked really super clear and awesome looking creek, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get up to the waterfall or not, because I think you might have to wade through it. That water is crystal clear. Crazy. These little deep holes right here on the side are just full of shiners or minnows or something. I'm not sure what they are. Just thousands of them in a little area at that. And there's these little cool waterfalls like coming in off the side, coming into it. This place is so cool. Yeah! Yes, I got one! Oh, man, I'm pumped. I didn't know if I was gonna get anything or not. Thought maybe there'd be something. A little cold smallmouth. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get up to the waterfall or not, because I don't know if I can. I gotta get all the way up through there. I don't know how to get up there. Boom! It's a tiny little guy, but man, that's awesome. This place is so cool. Can't wait to come back here in the summertime. Okay. Well, I'm gonna drop him back in, and maybe there's another one that'd be really nice to get. Just over here in this little calm pocket. Yeah. Yes. Boom. This guy was really up under the rocks. I had to keep casting up, getting it right on the rocks, and he came out and got it. Oh, his mouth has been tore up before. Oh yeah, let me get down here and show you this beautiful fish, but look at his mouth on the other side. He's got something going out of him there. All right, it's my second one. Pretty little guy, messed up there for sure, but he seems healthy enough. He was up way up under that rock over there. Well, it looks like I may have to turn back. I can't get to the waterfall from this here. I can't find a way across this area right here. The ledge doesn't keep going that way, and I don't know how to get across the water without getting my feet wet. So I'm gonna go back, and if I can't find a way, that may be it for today. there's one. Not a bad one. Up under this rock ledge. Oh yes. That's cool. Man, they really hide out of the way in the wintertime. It's not a bad little creek smalley. Pretty good. He was right. I dropped it right in this little V shape, and I don't know which rock it came out of. It came out of somewhere. He just picked it up. All right. Back in there. Oh, I got a fish. Oh, I got a good fish. Pretty good fish. Yeah. Oh man, he's in this current over here. I'm gonna try to work my way over this bar over here. He's not a giant, but he's good. Oh, I love seeing that. I love seeing that fish fight in this clear water. That is so nice. Yes! Nice. Yes! That's a good fish. Oh yeah, this is the kind of fish I wanted to catch here. Very nice. All right, he was right off this ledge over here. Didn't even know he was on there. I just kind of let it drift in the current. I didn't see any other ones, but everyone I've caught so far has been kind of by himself, but they all been right on these, underneath these shelves. Just, if I can get it close to these shelves, maybe something comes out and gets it. That was definitely the biggest one of the day. It was a nice fish. All right, well, I made it to the waterfall, not the bottom where I wanted to fish. I don't think I'm technically supposed to be here, but let's take a look around. That's a long way down. It's a drop off, straight drop off right there. Probably 50 feet at least, straight down to the rock. I wanted to fish down there, but I can't get to it right now, it don't look like. This was a really cool spot just to sit and relax for a few minutes. I'm just gonna go upstream just a little ways and see if I can get maybe one or two more fish. Well, after I left the waterfall, I tried to come upstream a little ways, but you really can't access this creek without getting in the water and getting wet, and I'm not prepared for that today. So I'll be back probably when it gets warmer for sure. Now I know, where to kind of go and where to check it out. So I'm pretty excited about that. I think it'll be a good place to come back and fish. If not, it'll be a good place to come back and swim. I'm gonna try to include this every once in a while at the end of videos, just my setup, especially if I'm just using one rod and reel all day. This one I'm using the PC Fin Serpent rod. It's a medium light action, and I'm using 6 pound, I think trout magnet mono with a PC Fin Carbon X 2000 reel. And I was throwing around the Nico Helgramite, which I use it a lot, so you may have seen that, on a 1/15 ounce jig head. And this little light action right here is perfect for just, picking out little fish, and it'll still hold up for bigger fish. So I really like these kind of medium light to medium actions, some light line, something easy to use, and just go out there and catch some fish with. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely love coming to these kind of places. where the waterfalls or just clean water, or just beautiful areas. I expect I'll be going to a lot of those this summer, so if you see me in just random places, I'm going to try to take 2-day trips, maybe 1-day trips, stay overnight, hit another place, and just do a lot of exploring and going to a lot of new places. Thanks for watching.